Guys, today we're taking a look at a very cool set of wireless earbuds. Yeah, I know, another set of earbuds, right? But you know what? Spoiler alert, these are pretty special. So sit back while we check out the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the Liberty 4 Pros from Soundcore. Now, if you don't know Soundcore, they make a bunch of different headphones, speakers and earbuds with attention to detail, great build quality and great sound, and I have to say they have nailed it with these. Now before we get into it, Soundcore sent me these Liberty 4 Pro wireless ANC earbuds to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first off, open the box and we've got a quick guide. Now, this talks about the fitting and the controls of the case. Controls on the case? Yeah, more on that later. Then guys, we have the charging case and earbuds, and you know what, we're just going to take those out and pop them down here for a few seconds. Then we have a comprehensive user guide and a box that contains a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. I mean, yeah, USB-A. Come on, guys. Think of us Mac users and us users of modern, fast Type-C chargers. But that's okay. It is what it is, right? Oh, and in the box you also get a bunch of different sized ear tips. As with this type of design of earbud, it's all about the seal. No, not that seal. Now, anyway, back to the charge case, and it looks very cool with its shiny cover, and wait, you can actually see through the glass, but more on that in a second. Yeah, I know, I mean, the suspense is killing, right? Anyway, let's look around this case first. Turn it around and we've got a USB-C charge port and an LED charge light. And also guys, the case also supports wireless charging. So goodbye USB-A charge cable. Actually, that's gone already. But anyway, round the front, we've got this little recess. But wait, this recess is not just a recess. It's a touch sensor. Yeah, you can touch that sensor and look what happens when I touch it. Under that shiny, lovely cover, there's a display that shows all manner of functions, and they can all be controlled with the touch sensor. I mean, this is getting very interesting. Now, about this cover, guys, it's not a conventional flip. No. This is a slide. And when you slide it up, you see those beautiful earbuds and that very cool display that shows battery life for both earbuds and the case. Well, that's what it shows initially. Now, taking a look at the earbuds, and they look very Apple AirPod-like, which, you know what, isn't a bad thing. Now, I popped these in my ears, right? And they locked into place instantly and feel very secure. These are not going anywhere, whether you shake your head or not. And comfort-wise, guys, they're great for long listening sessions. Now, these are earbuds, and although fit is important, so is the sound. And these Liberty 4 Pros have a 10.5mm dynamic driver and a titanium tweeter. This dual driver setup aims to deliver clear, detailed sound. They also feature 360-degree spatial audio with head tracking, and that's pretty cool for immersive listening experiences. Now, you also get active noise cancellation, which Soundcore calls its adaptive ANC 3.0. It uses 7 sensors to adjust noise cancellation every 0.3 seconds. I mean, in theory, this should adapt to your environment in real time. Now, the next important thing, battery life. Well, the Liberty 4 Pros excel there too, with 10 hours on the earbuds and a total of 40 hours on the case. They're going to keep you covered for quite some time. And of course, that's with ANC off, but you know what? It's still pretty impressive. Now, there's also a fast charge facility. 5 minutes of juicing up gets you 4 hours of playback. So that's pretty cool. Now guys, let's take a look at the Soundcore app. I mean, yeah, there's always an app, right? And the app is packed with features to customize your listening experience. You've got EQ settings. You've also got ambient sound controls and touch control customization, because these are slide and pinch, and you know what? You can adjust all of these settings from within the app, and that's pretty neat. They're all configurable, but you've got different touches, slides, pinches. I mean, you can control everything. And there's even a fit test to make sure that you're using the right ear tips. And when I thought we were out of cool features, there's another one called adaptive sound leakage compensation. Flows off the tongue, right? This adjusts the audio based on how well the earbuds fit in your ears. There's also an airplane mode that adapts to air pressure changes, which is pretty great for frequent flyers. And don't forget, guys, about being able to adjust things like ANC and stuff like that from the app, but you don't need to always use the app. You can actually do this from the touch bar on the case, which is pretty neat. And trust me, these aren't all about cool features. They sound great. I fired up some tunes and I've got to say, I'm impressed. The bass is punchy, the mids are clear, and the highs are crisp. Even on the default Soundcore signature EQ settings, they sound great. But of course, you can tweak all of that to your liking in the app. And let's not forget about call quality. I tried a bunch of different calls and all of my callers said that they could hear me extremely clearly. This has a 6 mic system and it does a great job of picking up your voice and also filters out some background noise, which, you know, that's pretty nice too. Now, I don't really have anything negative to say about these Liberty 4 Pros. I already mentioned the USB charge cable, which is kind of over there somewhere. And whilst the gloss finish on the case looks beautiful out of the box, yeah, it's a fingerprint magnet. And it might also scratch easily, so you got to be careful, right? But you know what? None of this is a showstopper. These are nice earbuds. So guys, there you have it. The Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro wireless ANC earbuds are nothing short of impressive, with great sound and tons of feature. The ANC is solid, the fit is comfortable, and the app is really, really good. So if you're in the market for new wireless earbuds, these are definitely worth considering. And I've got to say, guys, I've reviewed a lot of earbuds with some good and bad points, right? And in fact, I usually give them all away when I'm finished making the videos. But you know what? These, I think I'm going to keep them. So you know what? You take from that what you will. And at a price of only £99.99, these are an absolute bargain when you compare them to lesser sounding, lesser feature, and more expensive other brands. Don't know why I'm holding these up, but anyway, take from that what you will. I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and please click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Soundcore for sending me these very capable earbuds to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.